of the revised penal code. Detaining someone without charges for more than the allowable period is illegal. Now, my client here has been in custody overnight without formal charges nor a probable cause.
Pero kitang-kita ng mga tao ko. Tinulungan niya pa nga isa para makatakas eh.
Sigurado po ba tayo doon, sir? Kasi alam ko naman ginagawa mo na yung trabaho. Kailangan mo ng someone to blame, someone to take the fault. Nagkatas, maling lugar. Client remains in custody without any piece of evidence. You will be facing civil suits and administrative complaints. Ayaw naman po natin ng ganun, sir. Diba?
Sige na. Okay na. Pakawala na.
Finally, thank you. I want everything intact. Lahat ng gamit niya, bag, cellphone. Pag may nawala dyan, malalaman ko agad. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, attorney.